Hi there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to add transparent text using CapCut. So I've got a clip here that I want to add text to. All I have to do is go to the text tab, click on default text. This brings up the default text effect, text asset. I'm gonna add a few effects, customize the way it looks. Let's change this to feel the music because why not? Let's up the font size a little. And to make it transparent, all we have to do is scroll down until we reach this blend option and lower the opacity. But doing it like this feels a little lackluster. So another way that I like to add transparent text in CapCut is I'll duplicate the clip by holding Alt and dragging it one layer above. Then over here, I'm going to go to the mask tab under video from basic to mask. I'll click on add mask. Then I'll click on text. So scroll down a bit and now I can edit what's on it. So feel the music. Font. I'm gonna go for Dasar if I can find it. There we go. Dasar. If you have a hard time seeing the text right now, all you have to do is click on hide track on the first layer. And now it should isolate the mask that we're making. So pattern, I'll put it on bold, put it on italic, maybe increase the size like so. Then, yeah. So let's bring back the first video by clicking this icon again. And then this time, I'm going to go back to the basic tab. I'm going to scroll down. And then in the blend, we see this new option called mode. So here we can change the way it sort of overlays. So there are a few options here. We can make it overlay. So there's like a little ghosting effect. We can brighten. We can screen, darken. I think I'll be using color burn or color dodge. Probably color burn looks the best. So it kind of inverts the colors. So now we have our text. So this entire layer, even though it looks like it's a video, let's give it a little more pop. Let's add some CapCut effects. Maybe negative on the first part. Yeah, seems about right. Maybe let's sync it up with the text. There we go. I think that's a decent place to stop after that flash. After this flash. And there we go. That's how to add transparent text to a clip using CapCut.